for Jamie's yoga adventures.
This episode is called Wonky Games.
Hello, I'm Jamie. This is my treehouse. Are you ready to do some yoga? Amazing! Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure.
Let's all blow a great big bubble, arms wrapped round, just like a cuddle. We'll try the moves and feel the glow. It's sparkle time. Let's go, go, go. Swirly spins and wobbly knees, shimmying shoulders, big strong trees. It's time for adventure. Just follow me. Let's find the glow rings. 1, 2, 3.
Let's have fun collecting them together. Will you help me? Great!
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find our glow.
Hello, Glow. We're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Sunny. It's great to meet ya. I'm Pocket by name and Careful by nature.
My name's Max. I put on a show.
Just call me Go. I go with the flow.
Come on, Wunzies. Here we go.
Let's get ready to go. We wiggle and we jiggle and we go with the flow. Clap hands, we're ready to go. Together we'll all find life's better. When we find together, we'll all find our glow.
We've arrived in Bubble Lake, one of our favourite places to be. And it looks like it's competition time. That means tomorrow must be the Wonky Games. Once a year, all the Wunzies have a sporty contest to see who can invent the silliest, wonkiest brand new sport, the Wonky Games. This calls for one of our very special slow-mo cheers. Stand like a winner in your very best power pose. Raise those arms and let's do a silent slow-mo cheer. Oh, wow. I already feel like a winner, don't you? Oh, look, it's Goat.
Hey, Jamie. And hello, you.
Did you have a nice nap?
I wasn't napping.
I was, thinking.
Ah, are you busy trying to think of a brand new wonky game?
Oh, yes. I'm dreaming one up right now.
Oh dear, he did this last year too. Missed the whole Wonky Games. Whoopsie. Now, let's get limbered up ready for the game, shall we? Nothing beats a flamingo pose for a good stretch. Oh, look! Flamingo pose is our first glow move. Let's go, go, glow. Standing tall, we take hold of one of our feet. Oh, trying not to wobble. We reach our arm all the way up, like a lovely long flamingo neck and a beak, and we hop around in a circle. Hop, 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 hop. Let's switch sides. Standing tall, we take hold of our other leg. Oh, try not to wobble again. Reaching our other arm up, making a beak and hopping around in a circle the other way. Hop, 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 hop. Very good, everyone. Standing nice and tall. Ah, doesn't that feel good? Now let's go and see how the others are getting on. We'll start in Feelgood Fields. But how shall we get there? Train, surfboard, or boat? Let's go by boat. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, lifting up one leg, lifting up two, lifting up one hand, and lifting up no hands in our boat pose. And off we go. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Here we are. Well, look who it is. We knew Sunny wouldn't be asleep, didn't we?
Hi, Jamie. Come and look at my Wonky Games ideas. You can help me pick one.
Oh, we'd love to. Which is your favourite so far?
I can't pick just one. They're all my favourite. There's a go-go pogo, hopscotch bunny hop, leapfrog keep frog, jump jump spoon, tippity-top teapot.
Oh, what's Tippy Top Teapot?
I don't know, I just like the name.
Well, you've certainly got a lot of ideas buzzing round your head. Looks like Sunny's on a roll. Let's catch the train and see how Max is getting on in Wobble Wood. Up we come to stand without touching our hands on the floor. Ooh! Yay, well done, everyone. Now we stand nice and tall, bend our elbows, arms point forward, and we pull the horn. Ooh, ooh, and off we go. Clickety-clack, 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 clickety-clack. Pull the horn. Ooh, ooh. And we're here. Wobble Wood. Now then, where's Max? Let's call him with some mouse squeaks. Coming down to sit on our heels, we fold all the way forwards, going squeak, 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 squeak.
La 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 la. Oh, hello? Who's that?
It's us, Max. We just wanted to see how you're getting on inventing a new game for the Wonky Games.
Well, I haven't got time to show you now. Too busy practicing. But it's definitely going to win first prize.
Sitting up tall. That's brilliant. And will there be any singing in your Wonky Game, Max?
Of course.
We thought there might be. Good luck at the games, Max. Let's leave Max to his singing practice. Up we come. We'll hop on our surfboard and go and see if we can find Pocket at the Hocus Pocus patch. Stepping 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, bending into our front knee, stretching our arms wide to surf the waves, dude. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Here we are, the Hocus Pocus patch. Because the Hocus Pocus helps you focus. And there's Pocket.
Oops. Oh, dear. Oh, bother.
Hiya, Pocket. Are you inventing a catching game?
Oh, hello, Jamie. Hello. I'm trying to, but I'm not very good at catching.
Oh, that doesn't matter, as long as you're having fun.
Oh, I know. But just once I wanted to do really well at the Wonky Games. Oh, but I just can't do it.
Oh, never mind. You can't be good at everything. Hey, it looks like more fun to try and miss the ball in the silliest way you can.
Well, I can definitely do that.
Brilliant. Let's try another one. How about doing a monkey jump pose? Oh, look! Monkey jump pose is glow move number 2. Ready? Here we go again. Coming down to crouch. After 3, when it's time to catch the ball, we'll leap in the air, going, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ah, ah, ah.
Oh! Oops! This is fun! Hey, we should call it terrible catching.
Shall we do another one? How about an octopus pose?
That sounds tricky.
I think you'll be fabulous. Coming to sit on our bottoms, we lift 1 leg, 2 legs, 4 legs, and 8 legs, and waggle them around like the tentacles of an octopus. This is perfect for terrible catching. So many tentacles waggling.
Ah, this is so much fun! I love terrible catching. It's the best Wonky game ever! I'm going to go and tell Sunny. Goodbye!
I wonder who the Wunzies will choose to be the winner of the Wonky Games tomorrow. I just wish we didn't have to wait a whole day to find out. Whoa, wait a minute. There is a way. With the push of this button, we can go straight to tomorrow if we all press our magic nose button. Reaching our arms out wide, we get our pointy fingers at the ready. Then we press our nose button with a oops, and we switch sides. Oops, and we keep going. Oops, 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 oopity oops, 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 oopity oops, 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 oopity oops, oops, oops. We arrive in tomorrow.
And the winner of this year's Wonky Games for the most fun we've had in ages is Pocket the Penguin's new sport, terrible catching. Woohoo! Go Pocket!
Hooray! We love the Wonky Games. Let's celebrate in true onesie style with a star pose. Aha! Star pose is our final glow move. Let's glow for it. Jumping our feet wide, arms wide, we sparkle and stretch in celebration of a wonderful Wonky Games. That's all 3 rings. We did it. Can you feel the glow? I'm so glad we got to see who won the Wonky Games today. And now it's time for us to go home. Thanks for all your help today. Bye, Wunzies.
Goodbye, Jamie.
We wave goodbye and head for home. The Wunzies helped us all to feel the glow. It's there inside of you and me. We found the rings. 1, 2, 3. We did it, we've all found our glow. We wiggled and jiggled and went with the flow. Breathe deep, we're taking it home. Together we all share the glow.
Breathe deep. How do you feel now? Can you feel the glow inside you? I know I can. That feeling is ours to keep. We had a great adventure today too, didn't we? It was great to see Pocket invent a wonky game that everyone loved. I think terrible catching might catch on. Let's come to sit with our legs crossed and send some friendly wishes. Rubbing our ears, we think of someone we know. Rubbing our jaw, we see that person in our mind. Now we place a hand on our tummy, a hand on our chest as we close our eyes and think of our person again. We imagine them being really happy because this is how we hope they can be. Now we open our eyes, bring our hands to our mouth and blow our friendly wish their way. Now we close our eyes and take a big, deep breath. Opening our eyes. Time to go. Now we always finish in the same way, by bringing our hands together at our hearts and saying our special yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Wobble.